this is what we got going on right there. So what we're gonna know is we put our coconut milk powder and everything in over here. And we have this really rich sauce going on. So what we're gonna do, should I? I'm gonna put a little, just for experimental purposes, all over this right here. Yep. So we got this really